Are you looking for full-time income from home? We can show you some of the best ways. The most easiest way is to become a YouTuber. Yes, there are many people who quit from their 8 to 5 jobs and start their career as a YouTuber. What? Are you serious? Yes, there are many people on YouTube who make 10 times than we make working full time. How? We want to show you how. Find some of the best course links given below on how to become a YouTuber and start living from anywhere in the world. What do I need? You need just a laptop, a smartphone, or a camera and internet connection. The courses will teach you step by step how to become a professional YouTuber and make more than double, triple, even more you are making right now. You will find everything you need to become a successful YouTuber and make living from home. How much a successful YouTuber makes. Many successful YouTubers make more than $100,000 per year. Some of them are making $1 million per year. Are you kidding with us? No. You can check one of the following courses given below. Truly speaking, the best course links are furnished below for you. Check now.